Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to check how to fix the Instagram share list bug when sharing posts or reels. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll show you the simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Find the post or reel you want to share. Step 2. Tap the share icon below the post. You'll see random accounts at the top. This is the bug we're fixing. Step 3. Now scroll down and tap on the option that says Share. Step 4. From the list of apps, choose Instagram again. Step 5. This will open the Instagram message screen. Now you'll see your close friends and recent chats at the top, just like before. Step 6. Tap on the friend you want to share with, then tap to share. That's it. Your post is now shared. Until Instagram fixes this bug, this method works perfectly. And remember, always keep your app updated to avoid these issues in the future. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tips. See you in the next